What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Corally Asuga XLR 6S. I'm gonna do an unboxing on this beast. I wanted this thing for a minute. Yeah, I got it from RC Discount Superstore at nice price. Y'all need to check that store out. He has great deals and great RC cars. But we're gonna check out the outside of the box and see what comes in it. Now, see on the outside of the box, it comes with a Corally 2050 kV motor, and it comes with 150 amp ESC. Wait a minute, it does? No. Oh, it comes with 150 amp instead of 180 amp ESC. Because somebody said this is a little slow. This 150 amps? Okay. That's why it's slower. Because usually they come with 185 amp ESCs. This comes with 150 amp ESC. I didn't know that. And they come with the CRHV 7225 servo, high digital, HV digital torque servo, 25 kg, not bad. Come with some beefy arms, still got the 16 millimeter big bore aluminum shocks. You know, different sizes, front and rear. Come with the same shock towers. Come with the updated arms. Come with the upgraded joints, upgraded diff. Come with a nice little chassis plastic brace, upgraded, and coupled with upgraded wheel hubs, pillow ball wheel hubs, steering hubs, whatever you want to call it. And come with aluminum. I think it's aluminum. Okay, come with aluminum suspension arm holders. That's different. Yeah, this thing is upgraded from the previous model cars. It's kind of different than any of them they had. And let's take her out the box, because I already see what she looked like, but I'm gonna take her out the box now. Tell you what comes in the box. Now in the box you got the quick start user's guide, you got the transmitter guide, you got a bind plug, and you got an antenna wire, and it comes with a keychain. I don't seem to see any stickers. I'm gonna have to crack this open, because I'd rather stickers than a keychain any day. It's the radio. I had this radio previously with my Skeeter, and I didn't have a good experience with it. Hopefully this one is different. Maybe I had a bad batch, but the controller honestly feels pretty good in the hand anyway. So I like the style. It don't look really cheesy. You got your standard settings on there. You got your reverse throttle, reverse steering, reverse throttle. You got your dual rate steering, dual rate, throttle, dual rate, and your steering trim, your throttle trim, and your dual rates. Doesn't have any additional features on it besides that, the basic, but that's fine. That's all you need for a bashing car. Now here she is out the box. Looking at the car, this body looks awesome. It looks very awesome. The body seems average body, except for right here. You got tethers on it, and they also have a something to protect the body from when you're taking the clips on and off, which I think is very nice. Now as for the decals on the car, looks great. As for the tires here, nice short tires, low profile tire, belted tires, nice and firm. The arms look thicker than normal. They, usually, yeah, these are pretty thick. You got the shock towers. They're like 2050, what is it, 70, 75, but I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like to me. They pretty thick. The shock towers look pretty thick there. The shocks, Team Corally shocks are awesome anyhow. You see, got the new cups. This is you got CVDs in the back most likely. Let's check out the back of the car. And this bumper. Yeah, before I forget, this bumper right here, it's pretty firm bumper. Got a little flex to it so you can smack, when you on impacts, it'll flex a little bit. But it won't damage the body at all. The body sit back there. This is like a two-piece body. We got this little piece in the front that covers the gearbox. And the back, same thing. Nice thick shock towers. In the back, it's not CVDs. No, it's not CVDs at all. I thought you don't got CVDs at all. I thought the front looked like it might have had CVDs. No, the front is CVDs. My bad. The front are CVDs. The back's not. I don't understand with the cars, right? Why don't they have CVDs all around? I never understood that. That's fine. Yeah, this thing is real beefy. A lot of upgrades on here. Team Corally came up with their cars, and they body and they look to their cars always was awesome. I love the look of the wing, and the wing got nice flex to it, so you ain't got to worry about cracking too easy. And we will find out. You got sway bars front and back, and let's check out underneath before I check out inside. You got aluminum chassis. Ugh. There we go. You got aluminum chassis right there. Nice little design on there. You got skid plates in the front and the back. And the side guards is plastic, of course, but that's fine. Just realized the turnbuckles aren't adjustable. But that's when you're worrying about speed and everything. But I realized these plastic turnbuckles kind of, I think out of, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 turnbuckles that was plastic in cars, I think I broke one. But the turnbuckles are plastic, which is fine. So you ain't got to worry about towing in or towing out. You ain't got to worry about it stripping in, stripping out. Either going to break or not break. That's how that works. Now on the inside. Of course, we got that 2050 Corally KV motor, and I can't believe this is 150 amp ESC. That is a shocker. Because a friend of mine named Chris has the same car. He said, yeah, it moved kind of slow. Now I understand why it's 150 amp ESC instead of the 185 amp ESC. They brought that down. They brought the ESC power down. Now on the inside of the car, look what we got here. Of course, we got that battery tray, the basic, the typical battery tray they always have in there. You got the power button right there. Feel like it's in a case and everything. That's fine. Nice in the case. But this center brace is metal. I didn't know that. I thought it was all plastic braces. It's metal hooked into plastic and braces plastic. Now they don't give you a speed pinion, but I assume, yeah, this is like a 13 tooth pinion. Another reason would make it slow, but I'm not worried about too much speed yet. I like how they got this front right here. This is a little bit of steering rack is at. They still got the servo saver, adjustable servo saver. Still got the same servo arm and servo. This thing looks like it got a lot of hope. You only got two body mounts on here to worry about, so that'll work, and it's easy to take it on and off. Yeah, this thing looks very good. They got a lot of upgrades on here, man. I can't see this thing's gonna be now if you put some power in here, which it needs that, because you got 185 amp ESC, right? And then you got 13 tooth pinion. That's real mild, but that's fine. Some people like it mild. I want a little speed, a little more speed. A little more speed. But see, before I talk, let's run this bad boy and see how fast she really goes. Before I go out and run this car, I'd like to give a shout out to everybody that watched my channel. I appreciate the support. I'd like to get a shout out to Ishmael and Chris. Chris just hooked me. He convinced me to get the Asuga. He convinced me to get it. And his Asuga is off the charts. It's off the charts. That thing is beautiful. He got the blue body. I can't remember the rims he put on there, but he got blue rims on there to go with the blue body. I mean, that car looks sick. Chris looked out for me with some tires. Ish helped me out with some things with the thumb steer and the thermometer so I could check my temps. So it helped out a lot. And then I like to give a shout out to my wife Tiff. She supports my channel. Major shout out. I like to give a shout out to RC Discount Superstore. Give a shout out basically to my whole family. My son Corey, Javi, Patricia, Adrian, and TJ. All right, enough shout outs. Let's take this thing out for a spin. All right, let's test out everything. It's very responsive to whoa. Oh yeah, this thing is a little monster right here. I can't wait to kick this to apart. Yeah, this thing is a monster right here. Oh, not the water. I think I'm not catching it like I'm supposed to. Oh. Yo. That's these lugs these Team Corally cars had. They had no grooves in it, so the wheel will pop off at any moment, and I gotta find a damn nut. Yeah, the tire popped off for me. This thing is a beast. And I didn't check the lugs before I ran it. And these the lugs this thing has don't have no grooves in it to grip on nothing. So, but I'm gonna fix that though. That's just minor. But as for the run of the car, from what I'm seeing so far, got good handling, nice suspension, and it's responsive. The radio, because I really am scared of that radio, but the radio got good response to it. So this thing's a beast. I can't wait to take it to a park and send it. I'm gonna up the pinion, but this is just a first little run, not even a bash, just to see how she feel. This thing feels nice. This thing is awesome. This is awesome. Wait, oh my God, I can't wait till I go to the park to run this in some open space. But as always, hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And super thanks to everybody that's watching my channel. And I'm